Okay, we turn it on. We have a power button. Turn it on. We click to turn it on. Our information editor, let's edit a new message first. We point to increase. There are beautiful dated and pictures here. Yes. Barcodes and serial numbers. Well, let's take aesthetics as an example. Let's click in this blank space. Enter the content we want to edit to 0, 6. We added the content and click OK after editing. We can adjust the size of the message, 60. We can tune it to 100. Of course, we can adjust the maximum to 100. Let's order, okay? Click OK. Okay. I every day save information. Keep it well. The name of this information saved is 0001. We will put the ink cartridge, tilt it 45 degrees and insert it into the machine. Okay. Point. Print. Okay. We take the fuser board. Where do we want to print our product? Our fix and play will serve this whole, just aim at which position. I'm going to play in this position. I filled my board. We put it right here. Here we are. Click. We print. We're going to press this print button. It slips and he prints it. Let's go up a little bit. I'll print another one. Type again. Press this button. Here it is. Okay. Just swipe. Big eyes. Big eye effect.